That's my insurance company, and then that's me on the other side.
Lucky I've still got this arm.
Sorry, but you really should have looked before you opened the car door.
Oh, right. I must recite the highway code when I get home.
OK, I was a bit close.
A bit? Any closer, you'd have ended up in the back seat. Still, no, you're right. I should have looked.
Yeah, so should I. I was busy watching that car being towed away.
What's that business, anyway, with that guy? Surely cars don't get nicked in this rural idyll, do they?
Eric Pollard's has.
Did I hear you were right, sir?
Afraid so.
Oh, dear. What a shame. Now, can I get you a drink?
No, thanks. I'm driving.
That's what you call it. Just a mineral water for me, thanks. I'm working.
In the village?
Right here. I'm here to redesign the wool pack.
Ah, yes.
Emma Nightingale. You must be Mr. Turner.
Hello.
Hello.
So I'll be seeing you around then.
Not if I see you first, Zoe Tate.
Well, I hope the garage turns up quickly. If there's a problem, just give me a ring. I'm really sorry about all this.
So am I.
Well, Miss Nightingale.
Emma, please.
Emma.